that's something that I came up with, that because being a magician for so long, and no matter what I do, I'm always going to be the magician. And then I truly believe that people are most likely to remember what you do rather than who you are. Because I know you sing, I know you play guitar, but I don't know who you are. Like, genuinely speaking, like, who are you? I don't know you. So that's the reason I truly believe that that's the first impression, what you do, and they remember, yeah, that's the geek. Oh yeah, that's the dancer. Oh yeah, that's the footballer. And then after that, they have a chance to know you. So why not use this on your favor? That was my biggest mistake on my beginner career. No, I'm Rodrigo, not a magician. Didn't work this way. When I started understanding and accepting where I am, that worked much better. And I still using the magician as a point of the first contact and make people remember, oh, the magician.